Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a review of a tool called Notta.ai. It's a tool that helps you to take notes from meeting using AI. Very useful if you do Zoom calls, interviews, podcasts, or even online classes. I will tell you what it does, how it works, and if it's the best tool for 2025 or not. Also check the description below. I have added the link and a latest update, pricing, and each and everything. So try it yourself. Alright, so let's get started. So first, what is Notta? It's an AI tool that can join your meeting, listen to what's being said, and turn that into notes and summarize. It supports Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, and even audio or video files that you upload. Let's say you are having a team meeting or client call. Instead of writing everything down, Notta joins the call and does it for you. Later, you can get a clear summary, full transcript, and even key highlights. Now, let's talk about what's good. First, the accuracy is really good, especially in English. Notta understands different accents and you can even choose your language. Second thing is, it's very easy to use. You don't need to install anything. You just give Notta a link to your meeting or upload an audio file and it starts working. Third thing is, the summary feature is amazing. It doesn't just give a raw text, it gives you clear points like action teams, important decision, and who said that. Also, you can export the notes to Google Docs, PDF, or even share them with your friend or team. Now, is it the best in 2025? Well, it's definitely one of the top tools in this space. Tools like Otter, Firefiles, and Notta are the big names. But Notta is one of faster, cleaner, and better for solo users and small teams. Now let's talk about what's not so great. The free plan is limited. You only get a few minutes per month, and some advanced features are behind the paywall. Also, if your internet is slow, the AI might delay to summary. But if you do clients calls, podcast, or meeting regularly, this tool can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Final thought is, Notta is simple, smart, and focused. If you want AI to help with note taking, then this is definitely one of the best option right now. I have added the link and all the updates information in the description below, so check that out if you want to try it. If this review helped you, give it a like and subscribe, and more tools coming soon, so see you there.